A very good day to all my dear learners. Welcoming you again to the Bansal Mathematics classes with Kunjan with the new topic types of polygon. Before I explain you types of polygon, let's quickly revise what is polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments. That means to check whether the figure is a polygon or not, you have to check three things. That the figure should be a closed curve, the figure should be simple, and the figure should be made up of line segments. To clear this concept more clearly, let's solve one question. Take the polygon from the given figure. Here, 8 figures are given. If you see the first one is a closed curve. It is simple and it is made up of line segment. Hence, the first figure is a polygon. Second one. Again, the second one is a closed curve, simple and made up of line segment. So, second one is also a polygon. Now the third one. Third one is not a curve, hence not a polygon. Fourth, shape of a star. Lines are intersecting, that means not simple, hence not a polygon. Then figure 5, 6, 7, curved line you can see, so not a polygon. Now the eighth one is not a closed curve, hence not a polygon. Now types of polygon. Here I have divided the polygon in two parts, concave polygon and convex polygon. Now what is concave polygon? वो polygon जिनमें कि at least one angle is there which is more than 180 degree. एक से ज़्यादा एंगल भी हो सकते हैं 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा, बट कम से कम एक एंगल ऐसा होना चाहिए जो कि 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा हो, उसे हम कहते हैं कॉनकेव पॉलीगन. उसी का रिवर्स वो पॉलीगन जिसमें कि सारे एंगल 180 डिग्री से कम होंगे उन्हें हम कहेंगे कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन. इफ़ यू सी द इमेजेस हेयर, in the first image, if you see this angle is greater than 180 degree. That means in this figure there is one angle which is more than 180 degree. Hence it is a concave polygon. If you see this figure, this hexagon, here in this hexagon all angles are less than 180 degree. Hence this hexagon is a convex polygon. Right, learners? Concave polygon where at least one angle is there which is more than 180 degree. Convex polygon where all angles are less than 180 degree. Now, regular and irregular polygon. What is regular polygon? A polygon having all sides and all angles equal. If I give you an example of a triangle, there are three types of a triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. But it's not there in isosceles and scalene triangle. In isosceles, only two sides are equal. In scalene, all sides are different in length. So, equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Why? Because all sides and all angles equal, but isosceles and scalene triangle, they are polygon but an irregular polygon. There are many more examples of a regular and irregular polygon. Here I have written two examples: equilateral triangle and square are regular polygon, and rectangle, rhombus are irregular polygon. So I hope concave polygon, convex polygon, regular polygon and irregular polygon is clear with this video. Thank you.